Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Hey, YouTube, man, what's going on, man? So, hey, the car look a little familiar, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go talk to these young niggas, see if we got their car. Hey, they car look a little familiar, though.
That's when I always got me got somebody front yard, he built unlocked and everything. He's all in this bitch.
Yeah, about that, bro. I know these red seat right here. Hey, they car look familiar, boy. I think they car look a little familiar. I bet you don't do a burnout right now. Whoa, brother, whoa. Oh shit. Alright, so YouTube, man, as y'all can see, man, got the Charger and the Camaro. The Camaro is what y'all haven't seen in a while. This bit don't be on the channel, but yeah, it's still here. A lot of y'all asked for some content on it still. I don't even be driving for real, but today we finna put it out in traffic, man. This guy is gonna be the driver.
Oh, hey, how y'all doing? I ain't gonna read nothing.
He's just gonna be fucking, I guess, cameraman or some shit.
What the fuck is that? You're fired.
But we're gonna do some rollers, a POV drive, and all that, and whatever I get the tool with it, man. So, shit, I get let hop out in traffic with it.
You really cute.
You said what? I'm cute.
Never mind, your haircut. No, you some bud. I'm sorry. You ugly as fuck.
Nigga, you ugly.
You ugly.
Hour later.
You ugly. You ugly. Check out 12. Open the door.
Open the damn door.
Y'all see though, man, we got the Camaro back out as y'all been wanting, man. That nigga don't see me?
Oh, YouTube, it's your boy Nick, trail cameraman.
We're gonna see what the Camaro do, guys. I don't know. It might need a driver mod, so we're gonna see how this go though. Okay. Let's catch him.
Crispy line. Okay.
Ooh, I look sexy.
I don't know about all that now.
I don't think they got know where you going. Hey, yo! Oh, turn! Why are you in the car with me?
I can't drive manually. Shit, not yet, y'all. Not yet.
Bye, man. So we finna go downtown, and I'll see y'all when we downtown.
Fuck you want? What the fuck is wrong with that guy, man?
Hey, just talk to me. Talk to me.
Oh shit, oh shit.
Yeah, I'm just trying to goddamn.
Oh shit.
I wasn't trying to race your ass. I was just trying to goddamn.
Oh shit. What the fuck? He trying to shit better than you. I missed the Camaro. Oh my god.
I'm sorry about the camera quality and all the jerking. This guy's a jerk. Oh shit. Damn. Guys, that's called scraping.
Kinda cold out there, man.
Kinda cold over there? Yeah, me too, but you know, you need to hear the exhaust. So fuck the coldness. I bet you wanna do a burnout right now. Bro, whoa, brother, whoa. You think you're really gonna do a burnout? Shit, that nigga press something down button. This time put it on the side, I'm gonna cut it. Fuck, I'm gonna go there and cut the car off on this lap. That motherfucker. I can't even hear my damn car with this shit. Whoa. Man. Trying to steal my car and shit.
I want to chase right now, guys. Trying to get exotic Trellis Camaro back.
Who the fuck finna go that way?
And what's our homeboy's name?
Nick, who the fuck is finna go on the interstate that way?
Shit,
that's going to another city. Alright, so YouTube, I couldn't even put gas in the Camaro because the pumps at the gas station don't work. The one over here doesn't work and the one across from us doesn't work. So I guess that'll be the end of this video with the Camaro and the Charger, man. Until the next time we bring these two out.
Top of the wheels?
Oh, hell. Hey, he taking my shit for real, ain't it?
Yeah, he does.
Hey, he went past the skid, buddy.
Yeah, no damn space at all.
You gotta get up in there some more.
Damn, all like a car.
Get up in them pipes.
What you mean by get up in there?
Get up in them pipes.
Okay.
Let me show you. Clear it out.
We dropping that thing, look.
Clear it out. And once you clear it out, you drop low. Then you.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Getting striker easy. All you need is a pro pad. Plug it up on the passenger side by the flow mat. Don't even start it up. Put it in neutral.
What good, YouTube, man? In this video, we're gonna prank these back brake calipers. As y'all remember, a couple months ago, we did the back. So now, we did the front. So now, we finna just do the back. Yeah, go and get that out now. Go and get them little nuts out, man. Go and get them out. Go and get to work, boy. There you go, boy.
I ain't your slave.
Cap.
Let go, boy. Let go, boy.
Yeah, good boy.
Alright, so we finna take this side off. Dang, my vlog finna go dead. Finna take out this side.
Now, bro.
What about, what is
You
on?
want this shit, man.
What is on,
It's
bro?
always your phone or your camera, bro.
Can you take off that title? That bit. That whoa, bro. Little fat thing, boy.
Hold on, let me.
There you go, boy.
About like 1 can of bite.
Alright, man, so now we finna just spray it. Oh, you said you wanted to do it.
For this bit up. You spraying it. Go spray paint on it.
Ooh,
Oh, yeah.
Hey, T-Talk, God, we talking about how I spray paint. First time ever doing this shit.
What I do for work, I do only paint here.
Let me see it.
Why I looking like that?
She showed the junkie.
I'm not spray for real.
Alright.
Alright, that little fur coat, man. There you go. There you go. Oh yeah. Hold on. Oh yeah. There you go.
Put these bolts on.
Hold on. Alright, so man, we just emptied my catch can. Yeah, it was a little dirty now and shit. But not that, it really wasn't no dirt for real, like. But we just emptied it, man. If y'all want to see me did everything, go to my TikTok, cause I'm finna start vlogging on TikTok. But, now I just gotta put this back up in there. I can't get it lined up. Alright, so yeah, man, we emptied now his oil catch can. His way more full than mine. Killing the ants, man. And now it's time to screw it back in. What you trying to say? Mine's going easy. Come on. I ain't emptied the catch can in this one since I put it in. Hold on now. The engine cover, engine cap covers. Did I cook?
This guy brought out gravy. We talking about orange. It is a cook to match though. It is a cook.
It needs some cooling in there. Hey, let me see that real quick though. Let me see some. Let me see some. Let me see some. Let me see some. TikTok, that Sally, YouTube, that Sally did not work. Putting a scat pack thing on there.
You paint on the Hemi line red, 5% V8 red, that should be hard.
Think that'll be hard. I do got some spray paint left.
Say that for another day though.
Another day.
Yeah,
Another day. Hey, you tweaking, man. Find the hole. Yeah, them holes. Yeah. There you go. So you need some lubricant. Yeah, spit on it. You might need some lubricant. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. You sure it's on there, buddy? All right, yo, we on there. We on there.
Yo,
all right.
Hey, behind the camera, he keep tuning it up behind me, bro.
Whoa.
Keep tuning it up in front of me.
We'll be right back.
Oh my